Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, active grille shutters, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.